forget all the things you've been taught, you've been.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2012 Chevy Malibu, and we're gonna program a new key for this car. As you can see, this is the one that has the chip as a plus, and to see that this car won't start, the anti-theft light will be flashing right now. There we go. That means the car, it's not programmed. I mean, the key is not programmed. So for this, we're gonna be using the EM608 because we want this process fast instead of waiting a long time. And I have pre-selected my car already. It's a Malibu. It's a plate key, and we're gonna check first the chip number. It's the ID46, and this chip is the ID46. Also, it tells you the frequency of the remote, which is this one. It depends if it has remote start or not. So let's go ahead and program this key. We need to go to control module and immobilizer, and it's gonna tell you some information about the BCM in this car. That's the BCM part number. So for that, we have to go to key learning, place the ignition on, and we're gonna wait 12 minutes. Make sure you have your battery charger on, otherwise it's gonna discharge and fail the program. So I'll be back once this is done. Alright guys, so it's almost ready. We have 20 seconds left, and I'm just gonna wait until that's done, just to show you the process of this thing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 6 ignition off with all keys, and we press OK. Procedure complete. So it's Xing the system right now, and now I'm gonna try, and we're gonna check if the anti-theft light goes off. Well, as you can see, the theft light is gone. So now I'm gonna attempt to start the car, and the car starts, guys. So this is how you program the key for a 2012 Chevy Malibu. By the way, this is the fast way that the dealership uses to program your keys. If you want to do it yourself, you have to use the 30-minute procedure, which is gonna be under the link in the description. So hope you like it, and applies for a lot of cars that are Chevy. So if you have any questions, just comment below and I'll respond as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, guys. Please smash the like button, and see you next time. Bye.